Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Timothy D. Shira, belong Noilam Jok NPP, but Menteri ke Sorkar Jilau, Lapen Pawe ke Sngewskhem, baka parti jong kan job yang ha ke election syaka Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council ke Bansalong. Ha ke jinga keren bagi lap thai kubor Shira ula Ïaroh ya Menteri rang baka Jilau belak kular pan Siew ya ke Tulop ke bakat alpanai jong kinong tre ha Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council dak baong baka di ke job ke bakrau jong ke NPP. Hakabai day bagi jing kena bakadon ke jing penan kam baklai ke pisa usirau loong kindan bet ke jing syak kena nakaliang persyak wat haba persyang ban le ya ke babaha.
Because we are ruling both in the state and in the district council, and we have done a great service to the what is called Ïaroh district council also, because they were suffering for non-payment of their salary for 42 months. Just imagine. But Chief Minister has arranged this way, that way, see, through his wisdom, to pay at one go 12 months salary, and he promised that from the next month onward, he will try to make it regular payment of their salaries. Allegation is there always in politics, you see. Why there is no allegation? Allegation is there. See, even if you do the good things, you see, there will be allegation, there will be criticism. This is the what is called the task of the opposition. I should say this is the activities, you see, the opposition party should do it. See, in order to see it this way, that way, they try to let down the ruling party in order to get the political mileage for themselves. But people will know.
Difficult for NPP considering the fact that there's anti-incumbency.
I don't foresee any difficulties. We will easily get the majority. I'm very much confident.